Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try to fix this Craftsman. This is convertible multi-purpose weed whacker. This is it's a gasoline weed whacker run on gasoline and oil. And my friend gave this to me since we moved into this house about 9 years ago, and I just didn't want to use it. It's too powerful. I keep using this electric Black & Decker weed whacker right here. It's not very powerful, and it's a hassle. You have to use this right here, electric cord connected to it. Now I think I'm going to start using this again, and the problem is I haven't been using it for so long, for almost 9 years, and I tried to start. It's not working, and this is the reason why right here. This part right here, this the plastic part right here, that's where you put the this where you put the gas and the oil. So for this one you got to mix oil and gas together. Okay, so the ratio right here, I already tell you, for the Craftsman weed whacker, the ratio, some of them would say like 50-1. So the ratio for this one, the ratio from gasoline to oil is 40-1. So it has some gas in there. I already dump it out because it's so old. And when I dump it out, this is what happened. Here. See, this is the part. I think this is like a pump or something, like some kind of pump inside here. Look at the plastic holes are here, all brittle. See, all brittle. And so this part right here, see the plastic holes right here, it's all brittle. Haven't used for so long. Look at it, it's broke off from here. This is like a pump inside here. So this part needs to be replaced right here. And I bought one from Amazon, exactly the same one right here. Bought it off from Amazon for Craftsman weed whacker, $11. Need to replace this part, and you need an Allen wrench right here. There's 2 screws right there. So there's 2 screws, basically 1, 2. Just need to remove those 2 screws, and then you're in business. So need an Allen wrench. This with this kind of tip right here, I don't know what it's called. There's 2 different kinds. There's this kind of tip right here. That's what you need. And remove this. I tried it at start when we first gave it to me, but I just don't like the it's too powerful. So that's why I haven't used it. It's so right here, exactly. All right, so simple. Just replace. And there's 2 different type of Allen wrench right here. This is like a hex head right here. What you want is this kind of head right here for this kind of screw. See? Not this kind. Okay? There's 2 different kinds. Okay, that's good. Now connect the hose right here. See this, the long one? The long one go to the right. And the short one is go to the left. Okay. See, I can use the old cap right here. The old cap has the measurement. Let's see. Oh, it does. You cannot use it. This is the kind of oil you have to use. The 2-cycle engine oil right here, mixed with the gasoline. 2-cycle engine oil, and the gasoline is just a regular gasoline right here. So you need a funnel. I have a cup right here, a small cup for measuring medication right here, 30 milliliter. So I'm going to use so the ratio is 40-1, and let's see. to the ratio of gasoline to oil is 40 to 1, so I wrote on the plastic tank right here 40 to 1, because the cap doesn't have it. See, this cap has that ratio on here, but the tank that I bought, the cap doesn't have that ratio 40 to 1, so I wrote on here 40 to 1 gas to oil ratio. So I only put 10 of this cup right here, so 10 cups into here, so 10 cup. Since the ratio is 40 to 1, so 10 cups. So basically, I only use the 2-cycle engine oil. Use a quarter cup. So you only use a quarter cup, and just mix it up. Let's start it up. See if it starts or not. Let me start it up. Now it should fix the problem now. To use this, just read the instruction right here. There's an instruction on so. Prime it 6 times, move the lever to start, and then pull the cord until the engine runs. So let's start this. So this is a primer right here. I prime 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and move the lever right here to start, and turn this on. I just pull the cord. All right, it's start now. So that's this is the problem right here. Since I didn't use it for a long time, but almost 9 years, and I never use it. I always use this the Black & Decker electric weed whacker, because that one is not as strong as this one. When I first started using this, it's so strong I didn't like it, so I just kept it in my garage for 9 years, never use it. So the problem with that, if you don't use it for a long time, there's a problem. See this plastic, the plastic holes right here, eventually it becomes so brittle, just like this. Becomes so brittle right here. It just broke off, see? And the pump, which is inside here, connected to that hose. See the 2 holes right here? The pump connected to the hose right here, but it's so brittle it broke off from the pump, and there's no way you can just replace the pump. So I just ordered one right here from Amazon. Lucky they have one. I just searched on Amazon. Lucky they have one. It's just only I think at $11. So it came with the pump inside right here. So the purpose of the pump is when you it need to pump the gasoline. When you start it, need to pump the gasoline right here through the hose right here into the weed whacker so it can start. So that's the problem. So now it's solved. Now I can use the weed whacker now. Yeah, from now on I'm gonna start using this. It's a little strong though. I prefer to use the Black & Decker, because it's not as strong as this. This one, if you don't know what you're doing, can just you chew up all your grass. Basically, it's so strong. So I hope you learned something here. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.